What if your back pain stretches are doing more harm than good? Millions of people unknowingly make these 5 common mistakes, and I'll show you how to fix them so you can finally stretch the right way and feel real, lasting relief. First up, overstretching. We've all done it, pushing too far, thinking the deeper the stretch, the better. But your back isn't on board with this plan. Stretch until you feel a nice, mild pull, any sharp pain, and you're just asking for trouble. Next, let's talk about posture. You know that banana back thing where you hunch or overarch? Yep, that's a no-go. Your spine should stay neutral, straight but not stiff. Think of it as letting the muscles, not your joints, do the work. Then there's the classic mistake of rushing stretches. If you're out of a stretch faster than your microwave popcorn is done, slow it down. Hold it for 20 to 30 seconds so your muscles can actually get the message to relax. Here's another one. Ignoring the rest of your body. Your back isn't doing all this work alone. If you're not stretching your hamstrings and hip flexors, you're leaving the job half done. Balance it out, and you'll feel the difference. Finally, breathing. Yes, it matters. Holding your breath while you stretch is like clenching your fists during a massage, completely counterproductive. Take slow, deep breaths and let your body loosen up. Proper breathing is the key to turning tension into relief. Let's face it, timing is everything, even for stretches. First up, stretching first thing in the morning without warming up. Your muscles just woke up too. Without a little movement to ease them in, it's like trying to sprint before your coffee. It's not going to end well. Then there's the after-workout rush. You've just crushed your session, and now you're hastily bending into stretches without proper form because you're tired or in a hurry. Sound familiar? Trust me, a few extra seconds to check your posture can save you from some serious regret. What about inconsistent stretchers? Only breaking out that when the pain gets unbearable? Sporadic stretching doesn't give your body time to adjust or improve. Think of it like skipping leg day. You just can't expect results. Rushing through stretches is another classic. We're all busy, but speeding through a stretch is like skimming a book. You miss all the good parts. Take your time. Let the stretch do its job. Lastly, stretching at night when you're tired but not easing into it properly. Your body's ready to relax, not fight against itself. Gentle, mindful stretches will do the trick here, not quick, jerky movements. Location matters more than you think. At home, many people stretch on floors that are too hard or too soft, like a fluffy carpet. Without the right support, you're basically setting yourself up for failure. Mat, that's your best friend here. Then there are the couch stretchers. Yes, it's comfy, but also wildly ineffective. A stable surface is a must, so save the sofa for Netflix, not flexibility. Gyms are another hotspot for bad form. Whether you're copying someone else's moves or distracted by the chaos around you, it's easy to miss the mark. Slow down and focus on getting it right. Outdoor stretches on uneven ground? They might look Instagram-worthy, but they're also risky. Balance is everything, so if you're going outside, make sure the surface is stable or use props to keep things steady. Lastly, workplace stretches. Sure, squeezing in a stretch at your desk is great in theory, but cramped spaces or restrictive clothing can make it hard to get it right. Adjust your setup so you can actually move properly. One big reason? Lack of knowledge. Let's be honest, most of us haven't taken a Stretching 101 class. Without knowing the right techniques, it's all trial and error, and a lot of error. Bad advice is another culprit. Whether it's from a random YouTube video or your gym buddy, following tips from non-experts can lead you astray. Not every stretch works for every body. Then there's impatience. We all want quick results, but trying to force flexibility is like forcing a cat into a bathtub. Spoiler, it's not going to end well. Overconfidence plays a part too. Thinking, oh, this feels fine, without realizing you're actually overextending or using bad form is a classic trap. Just because it feels okay doesn't mean it's right. And finally, there's the deeper is better myth. Stretching isn't a competition to see how far you can go. It's about finding what works for your body and sticking with it. Fixing these mistakes is simpler than you think. First, learn proper techniques for basic stretches. For example, when stretching your hamstrings, Keep your back straight and focus on hinging at the hips, not bending your spine. Props can be a game changer. Yoga blocks, straps, and even cushions help you get the most out of a stretch without compromising form. They're like training wheels for your flexibility journey. Next, slow and steady wins the race. Pair each stretch with deep, controlled breathing. It's like telling your muscles, hey, it's safe to relax. It works wonders. Consider dynamic stretches, especially for warm-ups. Things like leg swings or arm circles prepare your muscles for action while reducing the risk of overstretching. And above all, be consistent. A daily routine, even if it's just 5 to 10 minutes, beats sporadic sessions every time. It's about building habits, not just ticking a box. Your back deserves better than quick fixes and rushed stretches. By avoiding these common mistakes, you're not just easing back pain, you're investing in your long-term health. Start slow, stay consistent, and always focus on form. And if you're curious how shoulder pain might actually be connected to back issues and poor posture, check out my other video where I dive deep into this surprising link. Your shoulders and your back will thank you.